guys, welcome to Kids Corner. I got
Hey.
Claire.
And Aubrey, our sister. Aubrey. Yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets, and it's going to be so fun. So here's the first one. It's a green stress ball. Super nice. Here you go.
This Puppet, Among Us Puppet.
Yep, a simple dimple.
And then a regular heart puppet.
Yep, and it has letters on it, as you can see.
And then the Among Us Puppet.
Another
Pop tube. And this little
keypad. Pop it out. Yep.
got the little puppet. Yep,
One broke, but that's okay.
Monkey noodles.
Mini Wonka noodle.
Well, we have more monkey noodles. This is like a whole bin. The pop tube.
Another pop tube.
No monkey noodle.
Except this one is not the mini one.
Huge letter
It
number
has a letter.
puppet.
This was like my second fidget that I had.
Fidget spinner.
Yep.
Like this connector thing, moving thing. And then the little cute little
Yep.
tiny
You rub
animals.
its belly. Ready? Beep, 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 beep.
And
Yep, it has a little marble inside.
then yeah, oh I like what I think. Wait,
Like,
oh wait,
yeah.
one more thing.
And then, yep,
This
like that.
nothing.
And then another puppet. And another puppet.
This little thing.
Yeah, another little monkey noodle. Another little monkey noodle. And then a little guy again.
Bye, subscribe, and hit that
Like button.
button.
Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.